disembodied. I hope that a lot of you are learning how to leave your body because of the upcoming attacks with thermonuclear war. You may have to do this from time to time. I can do it almost immediately now. It depends. Tell me about disembody. You do this when you're sleeping, possibly? There could be two of you that know how to do this. Teleport. You've been doing this since you were a child, is what this feels like. This is a gift. This is a bloodline thing. Shaman, magician. Yeah. Wow. You may wind up landing in a home with money. That's what this feels like. You may meditate or whatever this is here. This doesn't feel like, I mean, the Four of Swords should have came out, but the first thing I got was either dreaming a different realm, the astral realm, and floating through the astral realm and landing somewhere. It feels like a castle or a different state. Oh, the dream state. I may have to pause this a few times to get the correct information. I'm going to start now. Be right back. Tell me why there could be so many attacks or so much resistance in something that you're, no matter where you are, who is it going to be? You're going to wind up leaving your body, I guess, dying during the dream state and winding up where you're supposed to be. It's gonna piss people off. It may be on a boat, a yacht or a boat or something. Bathroom. The bathroom at... Okay. You could be waiting to leave, waiting for someone reliable or loyal. 15. There's someone 15 in the bathroom. Be wary of that, and I'm trying to set you up to get locked up. Yeah, it's crazy. It feels like, all right, let me just stress you out constantly. There's something that's supposed to happen. It's not going to happen. And someone could be like, God damn, every time I go to do this, boom, something happens. Because how many people are on drugs? There are so many people getting involved with stopping this because of an addiction. It could be addiction to money, addiction to saying, I said no. That you're just going to wind up doing this. And whoever needed to hear this, I know it's Roger. Roger that. That's it. We're going to leave it at that. Someone knows maybe this isn't the best plan. It's fated at a set SET date and time for whoever. I don't think it's just two people or one person. I think it's multiple people who have been working on this shit, and you know that there's some... If you showed up in my meditations at all, it's very likely that you come from this type of bloodline, and this is a very special gift that you have that not many people have. If you feel like I don't want to be here, and every time something happens or I'm trying to change, there's some, boom, here comes some fake cops or some people trying to set me up to get locked up, or just relax, stay to yourself, practice meditating and going under as quick as possible, although this is probably destined to happen in your sleep, where you're just going to die peacefully in your sleep, leave your body and wind up somewhere else, especially if you know that you are an elite and your shit was taken from you and you're trying to figure it out. Ask your pendulum if you use one. Something is fated and destined for, it could be all the chosen ones that are left. All the gods and goddesses are going to wind up leaving their bodies peacefully while others stay here and suffer. Could be a pod. For those of you who know about that, I'm not going to get into that. You ask, find out, or not. Love you. It's going to happen either way. Nobody can stop it. You can't stop fate. Bye.